Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, November 16, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, the Dow had a spectacular day today, and for a change, we had a spectacular day also. So I would just like to amend my observations last week about this not being a healthy market. It looks very healthy now, and the results prove. The results of today prove it. Okay, starting with the Dow, big gap up this morning. Um, Made a high there about second, third hour. Looked like it was going to correct a little here, but it came back and had a very strong push up at last 15-minute bar, closing on its high, up 471 points. This is very significant, folks. This is an all-time record high, and the Dow is closing above that all-time record high, or I guess all-time previous all-time record high, which was back in February. So this has been a spectacular year for us. We started in January. We rode it to that all-time high in February, and then had the March crash. Made tons of money in the March crash, and have made a lot of money as it comes back all the way from March until today, when Dow again makes an all-time record high. Okay, well, how did we do? Well, we did spectacular. This is the first really good day we've had in November. Halfway through the month, yeah, we had a really good day. We had about $10,000 in open trade on Friday. We closed that out with positive $22,000, closing all those trades out. And then we got into 9 new positions today, 9 new positions, 5 positive, 4 negative, and we're carrying positive over 16,000 going into tomorrow. So we have $22,000 positive closed out, and are carrying positive $16,000 plus going into tomorrow. So anyway, what is that? 37? Yeah, over $37,000 total there. That's really good. And with the Dow making record highs, you just can't beat that at all. That is great. I'll show you a couple of the stocks. This first one I grumbled about last week. This is Pola, which is Polar Power Incorporated. We had bought this on Thursday, and it closed neutral to slightly negative there. Friday it just went bananas, and up here that stock was worth about $18,000. It did pull back a lot, and that's when I was grumbling about it. It didn't come back to that high again, but it did pop up a little, and that gave us did add to the trade. We closed out Polar Power Incorporated with $11,000 in profit today. So even with the pullback, that's a really good trade. And then the really big one for us. What am I doing here? I'm sorry, should have had this set up. Anyway, this is WWR, which is Westwater Resources Incorporated. We got into this second or third hour today, and it just kept screaming, closed almost on its high there, and we are up $14,500 in Westwater Resources Incorporated. So that's just so far. I mean, that's just a great trade. Anyway, I'm dancing on the ceiling, man. We haven't had a day like this in a long time. It's just been a lot of frustration. So I'm very happy about this. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.